So here's how you log into the online math textbook. It's first thing you do is you go to this website, www.k6.thinkcentral.com, and then you'll get a window like this. So you need to fill out the country, state, district, and school. For our district, it's going to be listed under Harmony Charter Schools, not Harmony Public School. There are no schools under that one. It's Harmony Charter Schools. And then your school and Achievement doesn't, Harmony School of Achievement does not have its own login. So we are logging in as Discovery. Then you click on Remember Your School so you don't have to do this every single time. And then you put in your username and password. And if you don't have that, email me and I will send it to you. After you log in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see something called Things to Do, something called My Library, and My Scores. My Scores we're not going to use. This is for if I were to give you a test through the website, and I'm not going to do that, so we're not going to be using this at all. Things to Do is where you will go if I give you online homework, and my plan is to eventually give everybody online homework. And once you do, you'll click on here, and right now there's no assignments, but once you do, that's where you would find them. But what I want to show you now is how to get to the actual textbook and to get copies of the homework. To do that, you click on My Library. So if you want to look at the actual textbook, you would click on Student Edition ebook right here. It gives you the option of an HTML5 ebook or PDF. The PDF gives you all of the lessons just in a list like this, and they're different PDFs. This is what you want to do if you want to print out the homework. So if I wanted lesson 1.7 homework, I would click on this. And here's the whole lesson. And here's the homework right here. If I wanted to, I needed another copy of the homework, you'd go right here to this paper here and print it out. The other way of looking at the textbook is to click on HTML, and that's kind of a fancier version. If I click on Table of Contents here, I can see Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. If I click on Unit 1, I can see the different modules. That's what they call the chapters in our textbook. If I click on Module 1 and I click on this arrow, I will see the different lessons. Now, I'll go to that same lesson here. That's lesson 1.7. And here, you can have it read to you.
Underline the sentence that tells you what you were trying to find.
So that's a nice feature there. And you can bookmark pages. So I want to bookmark the homework, which once again is right here. And then you click on here, and then if you want to see the bookmark later, you click on this, and then you can go back to it like that. You can make notes. So I'm going to highlight this and make a little note right here. These are the directions. I save that. I can click on Notes, and my notes are right here. So if there's something in the book you really want to, you want to write a note about it and remember where it is, you can do that. And you can delete your note also. Page view, you can look at the whole page. You can look at 2 pages at once, or you can go back to what we were doing and just kind of zoom in. You can just kind of zoom in like this. And resources. For each lesson, you have some resources where you can do a problem and then check your answer. I didn't answer the question, so I'm going to put just a random bunch of numbers here. And it says try again. Now, if I don't know how to do it, I can click on step by step and it'll take me through each step. Here it says step 1, line up all the place values and subtract the thousands. So 5 minus 3 is 2. I check it. I got that part right, and it kind of takes me through it, and then and so on and so forth. Oops. And I just keep doing that, and I try another one. So that's a good way to practice and check your answers.